Listen. Can you feel it? Being one with your surroundings. Rushing, moving, always thinking one step ahead. Trying to keep up with the ever-changing world. At home, you seek peace and quiet. But what if reverberation blocks that feeling and coziness gives way to chaos? Take a pause. Let an acoustic ceiling invite the essence of nature into the comfort of your home. Calm your senses and experience the ultimate acoustic balance. Discover concentration and tranquility in the hectic moments of every day. Leave out the noise and welcome the sound for a peaceful moment whenever you need it. That's what excellent acoustics can do for your home. Seamless and invisible with maximum acoustic comfort. Let sound and serenity come together. Eleganza by Knauf Ceiling Solutions.